Welcome to ChampionsGate Golf Club, one of Florida's premier golf destinations. Designed by the legendary Greg Norman, the international course offers a pure links-style experience, blending the beauty of Florida's natural terrain with the challenge of a true championship test. With a layout inspired by the Great Links courses of the British Isles, the international course stretches 7,363 yards from the tips and plays to a par of 72. Featuring firm, fast fairways, pot bunkers, and open greens, this course demands creativity, precision, and strategic shot making. Each hole is designed to test different aspects of a golfer's game, ensuring that no two rounds ever feel the same. One of the defining characteristics of the international course is its rugged, windswept look. Natural dunes, minimal water hazards, and the ever-present Florida breezes create an environment where golfers must adapt their play with every shot. Unlike many Florida courses, this one embraces a fast and firm setup, rewarding those who can control their trajectory and navigate the demanding green complexes. The ninth hole is a perfect example of the strategy required at ChampionsGate. A long par 5, this hole tempts players with the chance to reach the green in 2. But with deep bunkers lurking near the landing areas, only the boldest will take on the challenge. Laying up is often the wiser choice, setting up a manageable approach to a well-protected green. Every hole here presents a new challenge. From the tight corridors of the front 9 to the expansive closing stretch, this course tests both power and finesse. The finishing holes demand composure, with the 17th requiring a precise iron shot and the 18th offering a dramatic closing test with its undulating fairway leading to a raised green. The 18th green itself is surrounded by deep bunkers and rolling slopes, making the final putt as important as any shot before it. Beyond the course, ChampionsGate provides world-class amenities. The expansive practice area, complete with a double-ended driving range, short game complex, and putting greens, ensures that every golfer is prepared for the challenge ahead. The course is also home to one of the top golf academies in Florida, providing players with the opportunity to fine-tune their skills with expert instruction. And after the round, the clubhouse offers the perfect place to unwind, with luxurious dining and stunning views overlooking the course. Whether enjoying a post-round drink or sharing stories with fellow players, ChampionsGate provides a golfing experience that extends beyond the fairways. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Book your round today and experience ChampionsGate's international course for yourself. The fairways are waiting.